Hello ladies, I am going to come on to let you know how you're going to achieve your facial at home. So we're going to come on to talk about the DMK kit. Inside this is literally your enzyme treatment at home. So anybody having enzyme treatments, this is what you need to be on to maintain your best results for your skin. So in your box you've got a headband, you have got a brush and a wee bowl to mix up your mask, and then you've got a deep pore cleanser, and then you've got where the magic happens. So this is your foamy lift and your epitoxal peel. So the way you use this is you also use 1 to 2 teaspoons, exact same mix. So 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons. Put them into the bowl, and then you're going to mix it up like a creamy consistency. But I am going to take you step by step through this. So you'd leave that on for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then you'll come on and cleanse off again with your deep pore cleanser. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I'm just going to squeeze some of the deep pore cleanser into the bowl, and then we're going to mix this up just with a wee bit of water. Alrighty. This is just more salon feeling whenever you do it like this. You can put it on and just pop it on your skin the normal way. Just apply the cleanser onto your skin and do it. But this does give you more of like that in spa or in skin feel. You're sort of doing a wee bit more pampering to yourself. So just whip it all over. I suppose I just want to know, is anyone missing their facials? I am missing them so much, doing them on people, seeing results with people. You know yourself, it's not easy trying to do this all, but we just have to do what we have to do. So I'm going to come on just to remove, and this is just with a wee magic mitt from Jane Iredale. I love this. This is my go-to literally every night I'm out. The lovely thing being about this is that it has got microfibers in it. So all you need is water, and it does break down into the oily products. So if you've got nothing, only water and your magic mitt, you'll get your face cleansed at the end of each night. Like mascara, everything comes off with it, but it's so handy. It's my go-to for everything. So after that, I am going to come on with like a wee exfoliator just to sort of supercharge this, because I'm just feeling my skin really dull at the minute. So this is our micro peel. So I'm going to come on with this next. The magic happens with these two products. You have got your peel, and what is in this is kelp extract, and this is a source of minerals, potassium, to help prevent any infections, stop skin's bleeding from skin interruptions. It is an amazing product. It is very versatile, where it can be used like a mini mask. It lifts off all dead skin, but it reaches into the pores. Really exfoliating, so you will feel this quite prickly. Whenever it's prickly, that's whenever this is working. Your foamy lift, whenever this is mixed in, this activates, and this is your microcirculation. This is to help the skin function between treatments. It tightens, it tones the skin. It removes all dead skin cells, impurities, brightens the skin, and increases dermal hydration. This is the big one. This would be the one that is going to enhance your collagen production, firm and soften the skin, strengthen it as well. You've got your improved dermal hydration with this as well, with citric acid, and it is filled with antioxidants to fight off any free radical damage that's going to be caused. So literally leave this on for 30 to 45 minutes. I am starting to harden already, and then we'll let you see what it turns out like. So guys, this is what it looks like whenever it's all set. So it does go like a white colour, and it goes really like tight of itself. So it is all like literally crusty of itself. So it's going to start coming off, so I'm going to take the removal off of it now and let you see that, okay? To remove it, you're going to go in with your deep pore cleanser again and water. Now you can just go to the bathroom or the shower, whatever you feel you want to do. So I'm going to remove this, and then I'll come on and talk about the finishing products then for your skin. But you might have to do 2 cleanses of this. The one thing I'll always say to anyone is that whenever you start off with this mask, you might see a flush of like blood and pinkiness on the skin, like a pinkiness coming up, and that is simply your blood. So this is why I love this, is because you actually can get working on that vascular level. So you want to be getting that just to flush out the skin of all the toxins, getting new oxygen to the skin, and just really getting everything going, everything stimulated for the lymphatic system. So again, just whatever way you want to remove it, whether you want to go to the shower, to the sink, whatever way you want to do it, do it. And then the other thing, the itch with it, okay? So you can come on and the itch with it whenever it's setting or working or activating, I just press it. So wherever it's itchy at, I would just press it and hold it for a wee minute, and then sort of take my hands off it as well, because it can be, like I would find it's the peel with me, definitely does be more active. So just making sure I'm getting into all them wee areas that I've got it on, and behind the ears, down the neck, and just breaking it all up really. And then again, I'm going to come in with my magic mitt and take off the first. So I might have to do two, I don't know, I'll see. Sometimes I'm lucky enough I can get it done with it once, but again, just making sure just to get it all off. Now I have a couple of these kits left, and then the other way that you can do it is you can literally simply buy the peel and the Foamy Lift separately with no box of the bowl and that. So if you have got anything like at home, like I know it looks like a fan brush, but if you have anything at home, even a wee brush or that, so if you want just to buy it separately you can. But these wee sets are fantastic to have because you just get everything in it that you need. And then it's just the wee deep pore cleanser is a small size, which is lovely. So I'll come on after I remove this all. As me coming on, I love this mask. I just feel so firm, so tight, so glowy, just exactly what I need at the moment, to be honest with you. So afterwards, if anybody's got any products in regards to wanting to know what to use after, like the kit doesn't have that, so I am here to help. The one thing I do love using is afterwards the hydrating mask. So I would do this sometimes at night time and then just go to bed with a good layer of this on. So this is clear. It is based with aloe vera, and it is so quenching, so hydrating. It is one of them products that restores your vital moisture. It encourages a healthier, firmer and more youthful skin. So it is a lovely wee product to add on to. But then the finishing products with it would be our Herb and Mineral Mist, which is filled with minerals and vitamins, infusing that into skin. And then your CBD oil, and this mimics your own skin's oil. It's based on sea buckthorn. The other thing I do love is my beta gel. So I would use these, I'll show you how to put these on, but your beta gel is your immune system booster, and it just promotes a better skin function and healing and regeneration. So I'll show you how to use these. So you always start off with your spritz, and then 2 to 3 drops of your CBD oil. You don't need a lot, like it goes such a long way, but literally you get it, pat it into your skin. And this is DMK's moisturizer. So if nobody's sure like what way it works, it is the spritz and the oil. And that was Danny's ever first moisturizer. He created this himself for himself. So oil and water is what your skin needs, what your acid mantle needs. So that's how he's recreated it. Then again, I'll go in with this serum. So this is your beta gel. And again, just immunity, healing. And I love it. So anything that you've got like raw, sore, tender, I will be honest with you, I would use this on my spots. This is why I use this, because I just break out a good wee bit at the minute, just around my forehead for some reason. I don't know why. But I just find it just heals my skin up so easily and so quickly. And that is me, guys. So just feeling $1,000,000. Again, this wee kit is a deal for everyone, men and ladies. So if you want to get your pamper night on, give me a wee shout and I can help you out with anything.